Hi, lovely people. Today I have a very simple but educative tutorial to show you people. So, if you are in love with my simple tutorials, kindly do me a favor by subscribing, liking, sharing, and follow me on all social media networks. Now, let's get started. Today, what we are going to talk about, I'm going to show you how you can block some applications accessing your internet without you knowing it. So, this is what we are going to do. On the search bar, type firewall and run as administrator. Once it opens, go to add-ons, then come to new room. So you will see program is selected. Click on next. Choose the program you want to block from accessing the internet. So click on browse and locate the program. Then open. Then click on next. Then here you say allow connection if it is secure, and block connection. So select block connection and click on next. Now select all these networks and click on next. Now type the name. So let me say auto block and click finish. Now you see on the lane here, auto block has been enabled here with some copy, delete, and other properties. With this, the application that you block can never have access into the internet. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on TikTok and all my social media handles. Subscribe, like, share, comment, and follow. Thank you. See you next time on another video. Bye.